If you're on Snapchat and need to give your snap an unobtrusive timestamp, you can do so using Snapchat's time sticker. Here's how to add it in. Before we begin, make sure that you've updated Snapchat to its latest version on your device. Once that's done, open your Snapchat app and take your snap like you usually would. After that, tap on the sticker icon at the top right to bring up a list of available stickers. You'll see one with the current time near the top. Give it a tap to add it to your photo. From here, tap and drag the sticker to where you want it on the screen. Then tap and hold with 2 fingers to rotate it as necessary. To resize it, just pinch to zoom in and out. And that's all there is to it. Feel free to continue editing your snap and send it once you're done. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Snapchat and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.